Welcome to Unit 7.3. It is about a single price monopoly's output and price decision. Price and output decision. The monopoly faces the same types of technology constraints as the competitive firm, but the monopoly faces a different market constraint. The monopoly produces the profit maximizing quantity where MR equal MC. The monopoly sets its price at the highest level at which it can sell the profit maximizing quantity. This figure illustrates the profit maximizing choices of a single price monopoly. In part A, the monopoly produces the quantity that maximizes total revenue, TR, minus total cost, TC. In part B, the quantity produces in part B, the firm produces the quantity at which MR equals MC and sets the price at which it can sell that quantity. The ATC curves tells us the average total cost, ATC. Economic profit is the profit per unit multiplied by the quantity produces, the blue rectangle. The monopoly might make an economic profit even in the long run because barriers to entry protect the firm from market entry by competitor firms. But a monopoly that incurs an economic loss might shut down temporarily in the short run or exit the market in the long run. That's all for Unit 7.3. Thank you.